Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to cite a website MLA in Word. To cite a website in MLA format, particularly 9th edition within Microsoft Word, you need two things: an in-text citation used inside your paragraph and a Works Cited entry placed at the very end of your document. So here is exactly how to structure them. So Microsoft Word has a built-in citation generator that builds your Works Cited page automatically. So place your cursor where you want, give the MLA citation, and then go to the reference on the top menu bar, and in the citation and bibliography section, here it is, you need to click on this style arrow and select the MLA. And now place your cursor at the end of the sentence you want to cite and then click Insert Citations and click on the Add New Source. So in the Create Source dialog box, you need to select the type of source. Click on this small arrow and select the website. And also click on the Show All Bibliography Fields. Click on this checkbox. And now type the following fields. Put the first name and last name of the author. For example, Michael Dawson. And now name of the web page if you have. So for this, for example, how urban birds adapt noise. So put the name of the website, for example, Charismatic Planet. And here you need to put the year, month and day of the publication date, for example, 2026, and the month is my day is 28. Scroll down a little bit and here you need to give the URL. For example, www.charismaticplanet.com. Make sure in MLA style recommends omitting the HTTP or HTTPS from the URL in your Works Cited list unless your instructor specifically asks you to keep it. So start directly with www. or the domain name. Now click OK to insert your in-text citation. So here you can see that the author name is placed inside the parenthesis. And now move your cursor to the very end of your document where you want to give the bibliography. For example, here. And now click on the reference and click on the bibliography button on the reference tab and select the Works Cited. Click on that. And here you will see that Word will instantly build and format the list for you. And if you want to delete it, you need to click on the sources. And here you need to click on the search and type the author name. And here it is. You just need to select it. And here you need to click delete and click close. It will be deleted from the bibliography. So this way you can easily cite a website MLA in Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.